Geese, majestic waterfowl of the Anatidae family, include the gray and black varieties, with species like Canada and snow geese. Their iconic V-shaped flight formation aids communication and conserves energy. Geese navigate using landmarks, celestial cues, and Earth's magnetic field, with the Canada Goose covering 1,500 miles in 20 miles. Migratory preparation involves molting and consuming more, while goslings born in spring are set for fall travel. These avian travelers, symbolic of sayings like Silly Goose and Aesop's golden eggs, reveal nature's wonder and cultural impact. Even video games, like Untitled Goose Game, feature their intriguing behavior.